group up. They better move up, never gonna win a Royal Rumble. But when I come through, you know what I love to. I send for your team and leader. I make a decide to vacate the getting sweet just like a Ribena. Yo, listen, you hear that? In the jungle. In the jungle. In the jungle. Yo, listen, you hear that? In the jungle. In the jungle. In the jungle. Yo, you hear that? Over, smell the aroma. Them done it with a long time when I ramp, when the skinny couldn't wake from a coma. Listen, you hear that? Swing like a winners in a miss. Nothing ain't crisp when it end up in the jungle. Yo, listen, you hear that? In the jungle. In the jungle. In the jungle. Yo, listen, you hear that? In the jungle. In the jungle. In the jungle. Jungle. The jungle. The jungle. The jungle. The jungle. The jungle. 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 Yo.
Pull up the tune, up the room, straight to the DJ. Pull up the tune, up the room, straight to the DJ. Pull up the tune, up the room, straight to the DJ. Pull up the tune, up the room, straight to the moon again.
The wave inside her mind is all again.
Ball against James. Outside, Ball. Here's Paul. That falls. Nice feed that time from Ball. Ball's got 11 points here in just the second half. We've got Mitchell Robinson. LaMelo Ball is out there with Christie. Then it's Jones. And it's Paul in at the 4. So that's the Hornets 5. Here's Ball following the bucket by the Wizards. Banked in off the glass. Ball's got the lead up to 3 now for Charlotte.
Boy, I love Ball's competitive spirit. Baskets like this prove this guy's future is on the rise.
James, the pass to Nelson. Here's Hood Schifino. The shot goes down and gets this game back to even. Hood Schifino's got a pair of threes here in the fourth quarter for the Wizards. Deep 2 from Ball. And Hood Schifino pulls it down. And they're in position to take the lead.
And how big would a bucket be at this stage of the game?
Shot clock at 6. To take the lead. Another shot. Count it, and the foul. It's on Mitchell Robinson.
You just love